So it was March 25th of this year. The whole country has united to fight against an invisible enemy. An enemy which we have never seen before. But the shortage of hand sanitizers and hand washes hindered our progresses to flattening the curve. Hello everyone, my name is Tunir Shahu. I am here with my teammate Shreya Majhi from Dr. B.C. Roy College of Pharmacy and Allied Health Science to pitch for our idea of cold hand sterilization. So the problem was lack of hand sanitizers and hand wash. And the biggest challenge was to come up with an idea that would be easily mass produced and both cheap and efficient. But so we did. We came up with an idea based on UVC, ultraviolet C. We found out that UVC have a very good germicidal activities. But doesn't UV rays causes cancer? In broad spectrum, yes, UVA and UVB have both germicidal activities, but they are very carcinogenic. But UVC, which is a wavelength between 207 to 227 nanometers, are strong enough to kill bacteria and viruses, but not enough strong or energetic to penetrate mammalian tissue. We researched that a dose of 2 microjoule per centimeter square can eradicate 95% of the exposed bacteria and viruses. So we took an UV lamp integrated with an Arduino board and used a PIR module and an IR sensor for proximity sensing and coded it so that it can be controlled with a gesture. We also developed and built an application which could control our cold hand sterilization box from a distance or from internet. We could easily control the intensity of the light, the wavelength of the light and time of exposure to skin or tissues, and we took our device out for testing to a nearby clinic and asked the medical professionals and doctors to rate us online. As you can see in your screen, there is a overwhelming amount of positive response we got from those people. Our system can be easily integrated with the modern facilities like an hospital and clinic. It can be also used in a rural setup. We can easily integrate a solar panel and a solar charge cell which can power this device. Our product is built for both medical professionals and household. Our product has a built-in timer which can sanitize each hand within 20 seconds and then auto cuts. It can be also used for sterilization of notes and mask and other PPE equipments. Our product can be placed in hospitals, in banks and in household everywhere where there is sanitizer and sanitization required. The total module was very cheap. Indeed, it cost less than 1,000 rupees to make and could be easily mass produced. Our device doesn't use any harmful substances. It's 100% eco-friendly and it can also run on solar power. And it does not require water or refill. So it's very economical in the long run.